Everyone, welcome back. We're here on a Friday. Market just crashing down. We're kind of getting used to it right now with this market just playing with your wallet, guys. If you're becoming broke, I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you, guys. Life is difficult, I would say. And in this period, look at this. So right now we're gonna move this chart to the opening. And look at that, 18,000. Oh my God, 600 points from the opening, guys, from the closing of yesterday market. We're gonna put the opening print level there, opening print level, and we're already there. What is the level around I have here? 700. Oh my God, we are totally far from any level. We are far from what? And the heat map is dark red. Dark red, the heat map. Let me put it on the screen right away. Quick. Where's my browser? Where's my browser here? And look at that beautiful heat map we are having in Nasdaq. Just red on red, some green here on the bottom corner, and the stocks as well, just opening now. Super gap down. We're getting some bounce, by the way. Nice bounce there, 100 points already from the opening. Here we're getting some green overall, but be careful. Green doesn't mean this thing is gonna push and continue pushing. So what we have to do is check and be careful. Yeah, that's the only thing. We're gonna move back to the chart, back trading, and welcome back, everyone. Money, be careful is right. Yes, a new PAC is in the game, guys. I still have to update here how much money I spent this year. It's gonna be done for Monday. Yeah, so with the new strategy, we're gonna have two PAs right now, and we are gonna trade it with, of course, paying attention, careful, and we will do our best. This market is really insane. I think we can put in a bottom soon, either day or Monday. But really, we really gap down again huge to the downside. Apple gap down again 4% there, I believe. Right now, Nvidia is pushing lower. That can be very interesting for a quick lower side there. I'm looking at it. I wish Nvidia is pushing us lower, but this can be interesting. Apple kind of holding there. Not gonna take it this short, of course. It's a bit too early. It's only Nvidia that right now is breaking the low. Apple and Amazon are holding, so I'm gonna be careful. For the rest, guys, hope you're doing great. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're spending a good time. Hope it's good with your family, with your friends. It's Friday, so let's don't mess up. The only things, like I put a video yesterday, we only focus on execution and on rules, acceptance of our rules. The rest is random. The fact is that if I will make money today is on the random side. The market, I don't know how the market is going to evolve. I have to react to what I see, play what I see, and I can be green or red. I need to check if my orders are currently working right now. Yes, you have a new PAs there, 45, copy traded, and the 150K accounts. So all good right now. I'm looking at this short already. Right now it's coming that Apple, I'm starting to like that Apple situation. Amazon still holding. Heat map is on the right side. Everything is red. Oh, that was 60 points already from the opening. Wow. Okay, that is insane. From the 50 points were already there on that downside momentum. 50 points. So imagine that. We just went down 50 points there, like nothing. like nothing. Like nothing. Ooh. Okay, that's Apple's bouncing. Hello, Mezu. Hello, Mr. Mezu. Tewari. How are you? Hope you're doing great. Amazon pushing. That was a great things to not short. Apple was holding. Amazon was holding. Very good for not shorting right away on this momentum. We wait to see confirmation from the main stocks going lower, and then we will look. Even a long can is more interesting a long for me right now than a short looking just at the stocks. But the heat map is red, so hopefully we can get a confirmation on the short side from the stocks. Hello AK, hello, good morning Mufti. It's Friday day, it's Friday day, it's Friday. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, now yes, but my microphone. I don't understand my microphone, why it loses me. Now I'm back. Short is coming. I'm just looking for Apple to give me a bit more. Down $85 so far. That's very doable, my friend. That's very doable. I'm waiting for Apple to give me a nice red candle there. That's beautiful. Can you give me a little bit more? And I will be happy to add. Can we get a little bit more short? More short, more short, more short. Apple, sell off, please. Don't like that anymore. I'm gonna just stay careful. I have one macro contract there. Apple is ugly as hell. Not for our direction. Amazon as well pushing. I'm gonna try to get a quick scalp there on the downside. Oh, that's gonna be a wrong ad. Now I'm full position in. Come on. I'm gonna remove that contract. Don't like it. Don't like it because I don't like Apple until I see, oh, that's good. Oh my God. That was a good ad in the end. No, I didn't like it. Good ad, not doesn't matter. Didn't like it, how it was evolving. Oh my God. Okay, Apple, that's the candle I wanted to see. Now I can add with more confidence. Oh, like this Tesla as well, crashing down. 40, that's good. I like to see this candle closing and then I will look to add. Oh, that's good. I like it more right now. Hi, Leo Tzu. Hello, guys. On a Friday. On a Friday. On a Friday. Hopefully we make money. I'm gonna add there one contract. Apple coming back lower. That's good for us. Not good anymore. Amazon, come on, Amazon. Don't do me dirty, Amazon. Do we have news? I forgot. I don't think on money. Do we have news today? Do we have news today with break even? Okay, I like that. Can we get a little bit more push there? Amazon selling off, Apple selling off. That's good. Apple sell off a bit more. Closing that ad there. Power speaks later. Yes. Yeah, guys, I'm trying. No, I'm always trying to be more consistent as possible. Good morning, Abdel. Abdel late. Abdel late. Apple, nice selling off. I'm gonna keep this contract. I'm gonna just put a stop loss. Is a random stop loss, by the way. This is a random stop loss just to avoid new spike that in this period we're getting. So I'm just keeping that random contract there. Okay. I'm gonna close it for the moment. Then I will look for another entry. For the moment, I accept this $200 on these PAs. Hey, 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 hey. I just need to hold longer. Yes, but let's say, pum, pum, pum. $400 there, $2,000 on these evaluation as well, because we're trading with 10 times the macros. I like what I'm doing in this period. Oh my God, 200. Yes, I can hold longer and be a bit more, but for the moment, I'm happy with my risk reward. Maybe when making $200 when I was risking around 150, good enough. I'll say good enough. Gonna look. Maybe I can re-enter if I like it more. Give me a nice, good entry there. Amazon still pushing. Oh, that was a bounce in Google. Okay, I'm gonna call myself out until I see something more. TS just froze. TS is I forgot the name of that platform. TradeStation. Entering again then short, guys. One contract, one micro contract. I like that Apple still selling off, but I might get flattened by that. Let's see. Still like the short idea. We're getting the break of the 50 minutes candle in 28 seconds, guys, by the way. Here, the break lower. I like it. Tesla. Wow, that's some sell-off in Tesla there. That's some sell-off in Tesla. Break of the 18,000 here. Gonna put the break. Let's see if we can get it. Apple coming back. Quant blocking on me right now. Coming, come on. Getting short. Gonna flatten my micro contract there. Oh, that's unlucky. Okay. We got stopped out with the other PAs. Unfortunately. Nothing. It was good. It was a good breakout. We just got faked out, but it's okay. We made other $95 in the other contract, in the other account, so I will say it's a win no matter what today. I'm loving how I'm trading. I'm loving it. Amazon needs to go red. Yes, Amazon really ugly one right now, playing with us. But okay. This 15 minutes break strategy gave us only one red trade right now. But we'll see. Let's see with the second trade. I like the short, but really we got a bounce in that moment to grab the lows of this 50 minutes candle. It grabs the lows on these charts. Microsoft breaking higher, the previous high. We just wait right now. We just wait. I like that I made $295 on that first PA account. Let's freaking go. And $262 on the other one. Somehow a $30 difference. It does not make sense. But we accept it. And we made $3,000 on this 150K account. We need $2,300. That makes it $230 with the PA. If I made $230, then I get these accounts passed. And all these accounts will copy trade the new strategy. And they will copy it with the double sides, being a 150K account. Might be a long setting up, really. Honestly, yes. We're back at the opening print level there. So we're starting to turn the daily candle of the New York session from red to green. Apple broke the high. Amazon as well continue higher. Microsoft broke the high 2 minutes ago. Honestly, it can be an interesting situation. I'm looking into it. If I like it, gonna look into it for a long. That's huge 5 minutes candle there. By the way, that's already a 50 minutes break again here above, by the way, here at 249. That's some nice push. Mufti. Not late enough to skip the negative trade, for real. Right? But you're gonna be late next time to skip the only green trade that there is in the day. It's always like that. It's always freaking like that. Always like that. Ay. This Phoenix is gone higher. I'm looking for a long as well. I'm just waiting. I would like to see. Let me see how this evolves, and then I might look for longs. I would like just to see Nasdaq having a green candle on the day, on the New York session, before entering long. 30 seconds. That 5 minutes candle is closing right now. Huge 5 minutes candle here. Very happy for how I'm trading, guys, in this period. Very happy, very confident. That I was looking for. I was I was looking for this confidence. And now we made $300 with one micro contract. Insanity. We made $300 with one micro contract. Yeah, the adding and removing there, but freaking insanity. That's ugly. Okay. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking at the stocks, and like now the longs is making sense more for me as well with Active Trader Society. This candle is closing right now there, 13 seconds. Long 100, 113. I'm looking as well for longs right now. I get long with you guys. If I get screwed because it's your fault. I like Microsoft really pushing. Come on, Microsoft. Come on, Nasdaq. Break right now the highs there. Yeah, 1 MNQ as well, not more than that. We need this Apple to continue reaching the 200s. But Microsoft is taking us. Google is breaking the highs. We're getting some push there. We just need the continuation. 14 seconds. This can be the moment of the break. The next minute. Okay, the break lower, I meant. I still like this long idea. I still like this long idea. We're getting it. We're getting the long. Just a matter of time. This daily candle on Nasdaq needs to turn green. And we're gonna start to have the green moment. Come on, that freaking flag right now here. This ugly flag. Ah, piece of crap. Still holding there. Adding one contract. I like the Apple pushing right now there. Removing it right away. Oh, we're getting right now the break. Quick scalp of like a few points. But now the break is coming. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Keep hold it. Adding there. I'm gonna add soon as well here. I'm gonna just. Oh. It stop you out. I'm deciding on my stop out only when I see the stocks right now going against my direction. Nice break. Apple still pushing. The 200s are there. Amazon still pushing. Nice candle on nice little consolidation in Microsoft. We can keep pushing there. I'm gonna just hold it for the moment and see what the contract wants to do. Come on. Don't be nasty with me. I'm gonna close myself out from that trade. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. I'm out from the trade. Don't like it anymore. Don't like. We lost $50, $40, $50. What the heck? I'm losing so much in this account. $40 here. What the heck? I'm out of the trade. I don't like it anymore. Mufti, have a good day. Have a good day, my friend. Have a good weekend. Thank you for coming as always, man. $50 I lost in that one. And then is this one I lost. How much I lost in this one? $50 as well. I don't know. How the heck this performance is different? See you, man. Have a beautiful weekend. No, I'm gonna just wait for the next decision right now. Give back some profits, but profits, it's fine to give it back. We're really quite up on the day, so it's not a big of a pain. Vice Tomato, have a good weekend as well for you if you're leaving. Enjoy your day of work. Spend it well with your family. Calling myself out of the trade was a good idea for the moment. Cutting my loss at 119. This thing is pulling back. Don't like it anymore. On my bias side of stocks, check. We'll look if we see something. Unfortunately, with that push at 200, Apple did not want to break the 200s. It came very close to it. Almost touched them, and then it got us out, unfortunately. Whoa. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? What the heck was that candle there pushing? Some news, something there. Something happened. Trade is up on the stocks right now. We're back. We're back. Gonna wait until I see higher low, higher low, higher high. We're gonna get the 15 minutes break soon, guys. The 15 minutes break above, I like it. I like it. I like as well this long. Nvidia is being a jerk, but Google, Microsoft, everywhere is pushing you. So you're getting in a nice area, my friend, there. We might get the break, guys, of the 50 minutes candle already here above at 248. The new one will be more interesting for me than this one. I'm looking at the 50 minutes break here at 248, or I'm skipping it for the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 1 minute and 20 seconds and take the next one. No, I'm looking at the 50 minutes break. It's in 1 minute and 8 seconds. I'm gonna wait for the closing of this candle. Then I'm gonna get long on the 50. Okay, let's see if it's gonna this first. Maybe even take a ready. I need to record my screen and decide on the way. This one will be a nice break. 148. Topstep froze. No, I see you, but it's okay. I would have gotten out in a worse scenario, to be honest. When I got out there, I would have gotten out in a much worse price than what not that one. So at the end, I'm happy with my exit. Would have been much worse. 300 point there, 300 point, $300. Getting long again. Let's see. Looking for a continuation long of this market. Microsoft still pushing, Amazon still pushing. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed this time. Amazon is holding, I'm adding normal size. Just to get a scalp there. Hey, Sidar. Why do I trade so much? That's a good question. I'm gonna give back my profit, that's for sure. Now is this long is gonna screw me, but let's see how much is gonna screw me, or is gonna hold. Very choppy, but for the moment we're still alive somehow. Amazon still pushing. Apple is screwing me right now, but let's see. Might close my position soon, guys. Call myself out. I'm just looking at Apple. It's definitely coming lower against me. Amazon is still holding on me. Amazon still pushing. Microsoft still trying to push. Apple is screwing me right now. Freaking Apple, come on. It's annoying. Amazon still pushing there. It's only Apple that is screwing me right now. Microsoft pushing. Still looking at this. Amazon still holding, so I'll still like it. We can still get the push. If Apple gives me a nice push right now, and Microsoft is pushing nicely, come on. This piece of crap doesn't want to sell off. Doesn't want to get in bought. Apple is there. Only now Apple is coming for a quick, but I have to close this position on a loss. That's freaking annoying candle there. I'm gonna call it. So now back concentrated in the chat. We lost. We get back the profit of that moment right now. We're back right on the day. That's annoying. I messed up on this one. I messed up on the ad, to be honest. I did not mess up on the trade. The trade was good. I messed up on the ad. I added too early. If adding here would have been nicer. Let's see. First things, man. I've taken 3 trades. This is one trade. This is a second trade, and this is a third trade. It's not I'm over trading. That's one point. Please don't say next time stop. Trust me. I know what means discipline, and I know what means not over trading on everything. It's not that I went on tilt. I'm down $32 on the day. I did not lose my account. Risk management. I'm using my risk management. Please, guys, don't write stuff that do not make sense on what I'm doing right now. I'm trying. Yes, it's true. I could have called myself out from this, but I like the long. I'm gonna take the long. I'm looking for my 15 minutes break. That's kind of annoying. That trade was annoying because Apple stopped pushing. It didn't allow me even to get out from that trade. With that contract I added here was the ugly things that really screwed me. This is a added contract. Was the I think was that was mostly the problem, but we'll see. No worries, man. It's no problem. Just for me, it's important, guys, to always. What is my freaking break of the 15 minutes candles here? Is that the lows here at 807? Yes. It's not a. Yes, I was up $200. It's true. I was good up $200. The evaluations were up $2,000. Now I kind of screwed them up a little bit there. Being down right now. That is gonna kind of. What is the liquidation? A $1,000 liquidation, so it's a bit of a sucks. But there are evaluations. Kind of annoyed by that. But risk management side, all good. It's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying when it's a choppy day like this because some stocks are flying and some stocks are not flying. Yes, one day to pass is still working, my friend. So you can still pass evaluation in one day. Annoyed just because better could have been done in the trade, but overall good risk management. I lost $200. The goal for sure with the break would have been make the same amount, but it did not happen. 50 minutes break in 6 minutes, or I almost did the new strategy today to pass a few evals, and I showed y'all as well some evaluations. Man, you have to be careful when you're trading with news. always trade with the correct amount. If it's a big news like CPI, do not trade full size. You're gonna get screwed by the spread. If you're trading a smaller news, you can go full size because the spread is not gonna be insane. So always careful when you're trying to trade a news. Use the correct sites for the news. Break of 808. Don't like it. I'm gonna wait for 50 minutes candle to close. Yeah, I use 10 full contracts when I take the break of the 50 minutes candle. Like yesterday, I passed the 50k account by doing that. If you trade news, I would say 5 contracts, 30 points is better. Because if it's a news, 30 points should be easy and you should not get killed by spread. But if you're trading big news, then I would say yes, lower the contract better. If you're trading normal news, like 10 a.m., 9:45, then the 10 contract can work. The spread is not going to be probably that killer. Break of the 50 minutes candle that are happening right now. I'm looking if I should take it. Right now I see the stocks coming down. Only Amazon's really not doing it. I'm gonna wait for this break, guys. I'm gonna wait. It's breaking right now, 807. Let's see. Even today with ATR 50, you're using 50 points for the still demand fine anyway, because here it did not change anything. I got stopped out no matter what. I agree, but now, okay, right now with 15 points makes sense. It still makes sense now, but at the beginning I give you right. I could have gone for like larger sides. Break of the 50 minutes right now. Let's see, 805 there. It's working. 805, 90. It's the 90 will be the target. And it worked out, 15.0 on the 50 minutes candle. Oh, that's annoying. Who took it? I wish you the best. It was a nice break there. It worked out very nice. Taking the next one. In 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see if I get screwed by waiting that much. Honestly, the fact of turning red to long to short here would have been insane good. But easy to speak. Still here looks a long situation. Looking at this. 2 minutes, we're closing the 50 minutes candle. Amazon still holding. What annoying market, by the way. What annoying market. I messed up with that last long. Messed up, not really messed up, but yeah. Whatever we can do. In 1 minute and 20 seconds, we take the next 50 minutes break. Hopefully. And right now, I don't think we have any promotion with Apex. Now that you might think about that. No, I think it is 50% off, and that's all. That's all. 50%. Let's see. Oh, look at that, for example. Right now, we're getting some weakness on Amazon, but some push in the others. That's so stupid. So stupid. We're there at the 18,000 right now in Nasdaq. The break lower, I like it. Oh, that's now. That's now. in 14 seconds. Oh, wow, okay. So let's see if I'm gonna get a nice losing day. Nice losing day. I'm gonna take again a short there with my macro contract. Short as well with my PAs. Let's see if I'm gonna get destroyed again by that. Okay, can we get me a little bit more? Sell off a bit more. We are. Can you beat a bit more? Apple is there trying to sell off. Closing my micro contract. That's good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's do it, guys. Kind of back in break even on the other ones, and back in break even as well in the others. So nicely done. Yes, nicely done as well with the scalp here with micro contract. Break even for me. That's good. That's the scalp to the short side came nicely there. Apple, Nvidia breaking lower. Apple start to be weaker. Tesla breaking lower as well. It came out to be a very nice. Annoyed that we gave back so much profit in the previous trade. Not that much, to be honest. I have to stop thinking about that because I gave $200 of profit. That's all right. It's just because I messed up on that freaking ad. But I'm very happy with execution no matter what. Risk management was there because my brain, in a moment here, like a monkey brain, like a stupid monkey, was thinking, average that, put one more contract here. Put one more contract here. It's weakening. You're gonna get some points. And then my brain was, and my trader side, good trader side, was saying, no, stop it. Stop it. If you break it lower, if you break lower, you're out. That's your loss. Accept the $220 loss, $230 loss. It's still an amazing loss. Still an amazing loss on the risk management side. You add those only, yeah. Yes, I need to improve that. It's coming, Active Trader Society. It's coming. Sorry. We're up $4 on the new account. Big Mac. No. Boycott. So I will say something else. Coffee. $4.52. I made. I can pay for a coffee, but the rest of the accounts, not really. So Amazon bouncing there. Yeah, choppy situation right now. See you next week, Abdel. Thank you, Baradar, for coming as always. Thank you. Yeah. Honestly, this looks a lot of trades. When someone comes here and sees all these things, it looks a lot of trades, but in reality, it was not. One macro scalp, I added. Then was one. I don't remember. I bought one macro. I added. Yeah, I bought one macro. I added. I closed it. I added. I closed it. I added. I closed it. I bought. I closed. I added. I closed. I bought, I closed. This one was the only negative trade. This was 1, 2, and 3 trades. This is the fourth one. So in reality, yeah, it does look that I took a lot of trades, but in reality, we're only micro contract adding and removing. And love it. Amazon push. Oh my god, it's freaking Amazon, guys. Oh my god, that scalp was perfect. Perfect. We give us the 15 points because right now this mix is turning up. Amazon breaking the highs. Get the long again. Honestly, that long looks sexy. 13 seconds. I would like to see this 5 minutes candle closing right now. Amazon pushing above it. That's sexy. And we're getting to your was it the 1030 candles? Is somewhere here, my friend? My friends. Where is it? I know. It's here above. 201. Break even on the day, closing the week in break even, closing the week positive. This week we made how much we made this week? We made $4,600 on I don't remember which day was it. Monday. Yeah. Made $97 on Tuesday. Made $4,907 on Wednesday. What the heck? I had 2 big days. I didn't know that. So I'm up $8,000 on the week. Oh, that's nice long getting there. That's some nice long coming up. That was a really good long, to be honest. When I saw that Apple and Amazon pushing, oh my god, and Microsoft as well. There's already 40 points from this kind of possible entry here. Beautiful, man. Amazon is still really pushing this piece of crap of Amazon. Amazon, why you didn't push before when I know Amazon was pushing before when I needed it. It was Apple was not doing it. This piece of crap of Apple. Before was not doing it. Apple at 10:05 Amazon was doing it. Apple was not. Apple screwed me in my long before. That's the fact. And then come back below the red candle on the New York session on Nasdaq. And I like this level. This level is so nice in Nasdaq because it's the level when it makes the candle red or green on the day. So if I took for example the 1 hour chart here. No, that's the 1 hour chart is wrong because it does not show the. If I show the daily, it does not show the previous. No, not sure. No, it does not. Annoying. 30 minutes, 10. So yeah, that's daily level when the daily candle of the New York session becomes green or it becomes red. So that's a beautiful level. If Fed talks about red cuts today, we're up higher. It's a good point. It's a good point. I'm thinking about that. I think it's a very good chance they're gonna do that. Very good chance. They are just all this downside momentum we're getting right now. It is just in preparation of the red cut, the cut we're gonna get soon right now. This pullback, but Amazon still holding there. It's annoying day, to be honest. What happens? What happens on a news based? I mean, he said that if Fed talks about rate cuts today, we rip higher, and we have a lot of gaps to the upside that needs to be filled, at least. A lot of gaps. 18,000 there. 5 more minutes for my life. Should I come for the power hour later? I will figure it out if I will come back for the power hour. It's Friday. As well, I wanna go enjoy a coffee right now and work my last 3 hours of the day. No, 4 hours. Today I started late. 7.5, 8.5, 9.5, 10.5. Yes, I still have 4 hours of work. Crap. still have to work for hours. Now, with your profit, I give back my profit in my previous trade. This one, when I went long here, went long. My problem here on my long, when I look at this trade, let's go to the 1 minute chart so it does show it rightly. The only things I didn't like my trade about this trade, I like the execution on a way of where I got stopped out, perfect stop. The only things I didn't like was my add here. I should stop really taking that things of adding to a negative position and adding to a strength. But overall, great trade on a risk management side. Lost $220 there, $30, $230, $40 I lost. I have the performance report here. Let me go to the performance report. Performance, I lost. Gonna tell me soon here. I lost $270 on that trade. Yeah, because I get back more. Yeah, I get back the profit and more. That's the only things I added. That add was the annoying things, because without that was a half loss of what I made. And second, adding to a winner gives you the possibility to close the position kind of in break even or with a little loss. Then adding to a loser and you cut yourself with a big loss. I have to keep myself in that mindset. Add only to a winning trade. Add to only winning trade. Worst case scenario, your loss is not big as adding to losing trades. Oh, don't say I told you, my friend. Don't say that. I respect you, but don't say words like I told you. Really, don't. It's this kind of words that really, as a profitable trader, they're not good. I'm profitable. And I really is the last thing I say to a profitable trader or to someone that is trading is I told you. I know nothing about the futures and I know nothing about what is going to happen next. That's the only things I say to everyone. I read a comment in Twitter a few days ago. This guy said, and he was insulting another trader, and this trader made money, he's profitable. And he said, guys, breakout strategy of the 50 minutes range is BS, use ICT, and you can see it from this guy that is not making money. And I commented below and I was like, yo, man, first, an RB breakout strategy can work, and there are 1,000 of ways of trading a breakout strategy. Second, a strategy matches a person. What you trade doesn't mean that you're going to make profitable someone else, and what he trades doesn't mean that he's going to make profitable someone else again at the same time. Trade what matches you. Trade is your personality matches you, and if you're making money, keep doing that. Don't listen to anyone that is going to tell you something else. If you're making money, continue making money. This fucking world is fucking hard. That if you're already making money, you're already in the top 3%, 2%. That's what I always say to people. Don't say stuff like that to a profitable trader. Don't say that. Then doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to say to a profitable trader what you're doing is bullshit. I'm not gonna go to a profitable trader and say to what he's doing is bullshit. He spent years to get to that position. To understand what is real trading, guys. We're breaking lower. What the heck? Oh my god. That piece of shit of long active strategy was a good idea from my point as well. But on a long like this, I guess a break even, a tight break even. I mean, it would have not been even that tight, to be honest. Long around here, like where you went long, even it pushed up to 70s. That already 6 points. Even as putting the stop loss to break even again here would have been not not losing days, not losing trade. Oh my God, this market. Tesla is dying, guys. We're down, how much we're down in Tesla there? We're down 9% on Tesla. We're down 7% on Nvidia. And we're still going down. Oh my God. Oh, you did great. The short idea, looking at the chart, probably somewhere here I would have entered. Looking I'm looking at the stocks. Maybe somewhere here. Oh shit! You cannot see my arrow. Maybe somewhere here I will enter short. Looking at the stocks. And I was already. It's insane because just this is 90 points sell off. That was one thing as well of today. It was not needed to do 2 macros, just because I was free. And I don't like it. One thing I have to really improve is that if I add on a negative side or against myself, I cannot cut my trade right away because I'm already risking too much for that adding. If I'm on a positive side, I can cut it out with a scalper because anyway my losing in a worst case scenario is gonna be small. But yes, mostly that. We keep improving, guys. We keep improving. I like that. We're growing. We're making the right steps, and we're doing it. Honestly, the short here. Wow, that was a fake bounce. That was a freaking fake bounce there. But it's 10:31. Right now the market is breaking lower because freaking Microsoft made a huge candle there. Is making a huge candle break lower, and seems the market wants to follow up on that direction. But I have a rule, and it's 10:30 a.m. on a New York session, New York time. I'm done trading for the moment. I'm gonna figure it out later if I'm coming back for the power hour. Power hour is nice. Power hour, guys, we can do that with the evaluations. Now that I think about that, I have evaluations. Yes, I can trade some evaluations there. So we can do that. Now that I think about that. Overall, we are down on the day. I have to filter only for PAs. $128. So we are closing the week around $8,400 of profit. Great week. Great week, guys. Have a beautiful time. Have a beautiful weekend. We might see each other on the power hour later. Guys, love you all. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting the channel. And we're here. Only one rule things, guys. Consistency, risk management, and we keep trading like that. That's the only things we focus. Yes, we were positive. We give back, but we didn't go tilt. We didn't do bullshit. We closed in break even, to be honest. We could have done even more, to be honest. We could have recouped a bit more with this short here, with another short. But it's overall a great trading day. We close it in break even. Have a beautiful day, guys. Love you all, and thank you again. Peace and love. Enjoy your weekend, and maybe see you at the power hour later. I don't know.